Well, we are here in Chicago today, and I am at Advanced Tools. So it's not quite downtown Chicago, but it's Chicago. So we are here because we have a advanced paste machine. I've had it for, I think we looked at it about 14 years ago. We bought this. And we bought it through the WIA. We went to a convention in Louisville, learned how to do some wallpaper better. And while there, they had a bunch of tools that the manufacturers were selling because they didn't want to take them back. So we bought it. And here we are 14 years later, and we needed some help on our machine. It wasn't quite working like we wanted. So we called them up. They said, we'll bring it by and we'll take a look at it. So let's take a look. All right, so here is our advanced paste machine. They're a little bit different. These are metal. The new ones are heavy, well, I should say heavy plastic, but they're plastic. So we had a bunch of issues. Over the years, we've replaced wheels because the wheels that came with it broke off. So we replaced those. I think they got them from Uline or something. But we just had a bunch of issues with gears and some other things. These little sensors, they just kind of got stiff. We had a couple springs break, so brought it in here. And the cool thing is, what I like about it, all the parts, every single thing that they replaced, they gave me the old ones. So you can see some of these sprocket gears, just worn and torn. Some of them are filled with junk. Some of them were stripped. They have little, or I just put it down. They have these little set screws, and the set screws sometimes, because it's in plastic, they strip out so they don't kind of hold anymore. So we had to have a couple of those replaced, and then some of the nuts in there just got loose over time. And the other thing we had was on the folding down leg on a job site. This was probably about 4 years ago, and we've been kind of making it work. I know it's not the great thing to do, but we did. So these folding legs, when they came down, the weld broke off of them. So we kind of nursed it and been nursing it, but just needed time to get it redone. So the biggest thing was the paste machine. It sits outside a lot. So they replaced this pickup bar, I think it's called. It had dry rotted. And then these bars itself, they had just gotten warped. So we couldn't get the paste was coming off. It almost looked like rainfalls. It would just here. It wasn't a smooth, even finish. So that's when we knew we needed some help, because no matter what we did to adjust it, we just couldn't get it to work. So they cleaned everything up. They replaced, like I said, all these parts they replaced, and there was a couple things in there they fixed. Those bars, I really don't want them. I think they can retool them, so they can reuse them again, but they're warped, so I don't really care. But here we are, like I said, Chicago Advanced Tools. If you guys have an Advanced or some of these other paste machines that they have, they do a great job on redoing them, doing them here. I dropped it off, today's Friday. I dropped it off yesterday. It's Friday morning. They actually called yesterday and had it all fixed. So it took less than a day. So if you're in the Chicagoland area and you need them fixed, you know, they can have a pretty quick turnaround. I know Friday, they said it was their day. Mainly they do that, but timing worked for us. So I just want to give that quick shout out. If you have one of these guys can come in. You don't have to worry about buying a new one. They can actually fix it, which is a nice thing nowadays. It's not disposable. I got other questions on pasting, paste machines or wallpapers, etc. Give us a call. We'd love to see if we can help you love the place you're in with commercial wallpaper, residential wallpaper, as well as painting. Thanks. Have a great day.